Hi children, welcome back to your class, maths class. Last class we have seen measurement lesson with the length. Length means calculating the distance. Okay, and we are measuring length of a cloth and a route from one place to another. Now here next we are going to look at the chapter measurement. But weight. What do you mean by weight? Let's go and see what happens in this chapter. See, when you go to a shop and buy grocery or a vegetable and a fruit, see, you can see vegetables, and this is a weight. This machine you can see, no children, in the grocery shop. What is this machine? Weighing machine. We call it as a weighing machine. See, the cloth shop person keeps the things on this, and we can find some numbers on this. You can find numbers like 100, 150, 250. These are some numbers. What are these numbers? Let's see now. See, observing the figure, we will buy what can we calculate, like a length of a cloth or a length of a distance from one place to another in a kgs? No. In the same way, a weight of a vegetables, fruits, rice, dal, we can't go in the kilometers, meters, centimeters. So we have particular units for this weight. What are those? Come on, let's see. Okay, coming to what is used for weighing things in this unit expressed. Have you observed? As I told, observe both the sides of we have in the weighing machine in this way also. See, children, they'll place stones like this, 50 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams. We are measuring the weight by the unit of grams. What is this, children? Grams. 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. 1 kg, 5 kg. These are the stones, children. You can see when you'll go to some shop, you can find these stones and observe whenever you are going to the shop, children. Weight of an object is expressed in kilograms and gram. Kilogram is represented by kg and gram is represented by only G, children. Keep in mind. Okay. Now collect the information. See, now you can go with your parents, do this activity, children. When you go to shop, see, quantity of rice and dal used in the midday meals in one day of your school. Means you can go to shop. When your papa is buying something, you can see what is the weight he is buying, because this cannot be done in the online, children. So we can even do this activity in your home, like whatever you get substances with your papa. For example, he'll go to buy some vegetables. That can also be done. How much weight did he get? Half kg, 1 kg. Half kg is equals to, we can tell, 500 grams, children. Okay. You have observed the method of weighing without using weighing units. What type of simple machine is used? What is the name? Okay. We have, as I told, we have weighing machine, and we have to express I have shown one is this, and another one is this, children. Okay, this is a weighing machines we have, and some of this can be done using your own, children. you can do. I will put a video how to do a weighing machine. Okay. Now we'll go to the next. See here, write yes or no in the blanks. The first place weighing unit measuring 500 grams is equal on the both the sides of the. Okay, this activity is omitted, children. This is not there. Omitted. Write down. Next, the activities which we can't do in the class. We can do only in the class, children, but we can't do some activities in the this. See, now what do you see? 1 kilo equals to 1000 grams. In the same way, half kg equals to 500 grams, children. Okay. Now, let's see how to convert the kilograms into grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. How many kilograms is equal to 2 kgs? How to find 2 kg? Okay, 2 kilogram, kg. 1 plus 1 we can do. First write 1 kg plus 1 kg, 1000 grams plus 1000 grams. It is 2 kg. 2000 grams. In the same way, 3 kgs. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Even you can do in this way, children. I'll show you some other method. You see, write 2 into 1000 is equals to 1000 grams. 2000 grams, children. Okay. In this way also we can do. We can even write here 3 into 1000 grams. That is 3000 grams. Okay. See here. They have shown in here the same thing. Before doing this, you have to mention 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. Okay. Converting into grams when measuring is in both kilograms and grams. See, when you have, we have seen only 3 kgs, children. Like, if we have 3 kgs, 200 grams. See, 1 kg, 200 grams of sugar. Okay. David have 1200 grams. Okay. We can just go and see how we are going to convert. Okay, 1 kg, 200 gram. First, we'll see example of this. 3 kgs, 500 grams, children. 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 500 grams can be done. Or else, as I told you, see, 3 kg into 1000 grams. After getting excuse me, after getting 3 kg 500 grams, see, 3000 grams plus 500 grams, children.